So we want to get prepared just in case.
Barbara Savoy and her husband Carl say water found its way into their LaPlace home during Hurricane Isaac.
Well, we had a lot of, like I said, a lot of water damage in the roof at the garage. The garage was flooded. We had water that was almost coming in from the front door and from one of the kitchen windows.
And also the water comes from the lake.
They say St. John the Baptist Parish needs more flood protection.
St. John, that's the plan. It was supposed to be starting a levee, so we don't know what's going on.
Parish Communications Director Bailey Helm says the parish is trying to get money from the federal government for the levee.
We did approve a tax in April to support our match of the levee. It has been approved by former President Obama, and we're waiting on a federal allocation of funding.
While parish residents wait on federal funds, they're wasting no time protecting their property.